Detailed view of the glass washing machine. This equipment is a washing machine with left side in feed and right side out feed. First stage, glass loading. Rubber rollers for glass transport and non-marking rear wheels. The second section is the washing and drying unit. The washing section features 8 rubber rollers and 6 brushes. Easily detachable spray head for convenient replacement. The thickened base makes it more stable and secure. Each roller is independently controlled by a motor. The drying area utilizes thickened aluminum profiles. It will not deform with long-term use. The glass position detection device below prevent new glass from entering before the current glass has finished drying. Glass unloading area equipped with glass transporting rubber rollers and non-marking rear wheels. A lighting setup allows for the inspection of the glass for damage and cleanliness.